Myself, Nagarajesh, Department of Physics and Nanotechnology from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. So we'll introduce to lightning, and in this series of lectures I will explain various concepts of lightning. So firstly, as part 1, types of lightning discharges and lightning terminology we will discuss. And in this lecture I will give you overview of the lightning. And the content in this video lecture is completely based on fundamentals of lightning, authored by Vladimir A. Rakov, published by Cambridge University Press. Lightning occurs in India during pre-monsoon, March, April, May, monsoon, June, July, August, September, and post-monsoon, October, November, December. The peak activity of lightning takes place in the monsoon time, and lightning is a key atmospheric phenomena associated with thunderstorms, and also one of the important component in the global electric circuit. So let's have an overview of lightning, what it is. So lightning is a transient high current discharge in air. Transient high current discharge in air. If you look at the current, it is typically tens of kiloamperes is generated, and the length can be in the range of kilometers. Okay, so this is the lightning channel. So with respect to cloud to ground lightning, we can say so lightning channel. So where it is composed of ionized gas, okay, and whose temperature is typically around 30,000 Kelvin, and which is 5 times more than or higher than the temperature of the surface of the sun. So the global lightning flash rate, if you see, so it will say around tens per second to hundreds per second. So such amount of lightning takes place per second around the globe. So then lightning initiates many forest fires. So what are the forest fires that we come across? So it's, mostly it is they are initiated by lightning, and 30% of the electric power line failures. So is whatever happening during the monsoon times or so, it's actually lightning related. And then each commercial aircraft is struck by lightning on an average at least once a year. So when there is no protection of systems for this lightning, so that it leads to catastrophic things. So what is a lightning discharge? The various terminologies are there with respect to lightning. So lightning discharge in its entirety, we can say, whether it strikes the ground or not, it is termed as a lightning flash. Okay, if simply lightning happens, if it is not striking any object or the ground, it is called as a lightning flash. A lightning discharge that involves an object on the ground or in the atmosphere, then you will call it as a lightning strike. So a commonly used non-technical term, we can say for the lightning discharge is a lightning bolt, you can say. So lightning discharges can be intra-cloud, inter-cloud, we can say, cloud to air, and cloud to ground. Okay, so these are the various lightning mechanisms that happen within the cloud and from cloud to ground. So lightning discharges, we can say. So then the lightning discharges between cloud and earth are termed as cloud to ground discharges, and sometimes referred to as CGs. So these CGs will actually takes place around 25% of the global lightning activity. Means all other lightning discharges, if you consider as 75%, cloud to ground global lightning activity alone contributes for 25%. So about 90% or more of cloud to ground lightning is accounted for negative downward lightning, you can say. So other types of cloud to ground lightning, you can see various pictures given here, A, B, C, D. So A refers to downward negative lightning, B refers to upward negative lightning, then C, downward positive lightning, upward positive lightning. So you can see how various lightning branches are shown here. So as I mentioned here, you have positive downward, negative upward, positive upward discharges, right? So downward flashes exhibit downward branching. So this is a downward, right? So you find a downward branching here. Here also downward branching. In the same way, upward flash lightning flashes exhibit lightning discharges exhibit upward branching here, right? So upward lightning discharges are are thought to occur only from taller objects higher than 100 meters, you can say. Then there are also bipolar lightning discharges, the same. Usually, so this sort of a discharge occurs with where there are taller objects are present. So there is a special type of cloud lightning, so which you can call it as which is naturally produced HF-VHF range around 3 to 300 megahertz radiation on the Earth, and it is referred to as a compact intra-cloud discharge. Okay, so the CIDs received their name due to their relatively small spatial extent. You can see around 100 meters of distance, and these CIDs occur at high altitudes and because of strong convection systems, and it doesn't mean that this strong convection system always produce CIDs. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll continue in the next lectures.